they happen with the Super Eagles since then. First of all, you know the foundation of the problem.
Yes, now I know the problem.
They say now we fair do them. So this one be like now pay back to us, but now you say they go extreme. Then for the fast, what it come be the major question, which I did get argument earlier on in the morning with our sport guys. Now I say, why Super Eagles can't decide come back? That one not going to be problem for them.
No, you know, because at the end of the day, it gets certain conditions where players supposed don't reach. You understand? It gets certain conditions where players supposed to.
For a battle match?
I'll give you for instance now, like the reason why we play our first leg on Friday and then the second leg now on Tuesday, because CAF and FIFA they calculate timing. It no fit, like for instance, team no fit play on Friday, can't make them play on Sunday. You understand?
Yes.
Enough days no day for them to rest and to travel. It day against international football law. Do you understand? FIFA need agree. That is why they put match on Friday. Come put match on. If you play on Thursday, play on Sunday. At least 2 days break good day. That's not one rule. Especially if they don't say you go need to travel, so they must get number of days where they give allowance for, so that players go rest, recover. Because now a lot of players they get injury easily these days, because the number of games we players they play, international matches and club matches, don't plenty well. So they decide to manage the players' health and body as much as possible. Now why the players withdraw now? Because say you know if you leave players we get match on Tuesday, we fly on Sunday, reach your country, leave them for over 15 hours for airport without food
close
and
to 20
water.
hours, yeah.
Without food and water, then they sleep on top metal chairs. They know now at that point, just imagine you now say they even travel from maybe Lagos to Kaduna. Inside bus, it did like 12 to 15 hours for bus, depending on how fast the bus to be. Your leg go they pain you. You understand? If you sit down one place permanently. Now, can't imagine players will stand, walk, sit down, lie down, stand, no food.
But
no
they don't have the opinion, say they face the same thing. I just say they are
no, see, their own according to what the NFF talk, and which I understand, because why I go believe NFF and I no go believe Libya now, because not be today Libya don't they do this kind of, especially in North African countries, they always look for ways to get advantage over their opponents. For instance, 2 years ago, they doing Yiba the same thing. Say Yiba do them like that before they doing Yiba. No, they abandon Yiba for airports too. You understand? Now then talk say when they call in Nigeria, first of all, NFF say now them 2 hours to their arrival change their itinerary and everything. Yeah. Even at that, NFF say okay, they still provide security and police for them. Okay, but we even say now,
but they say now they use their money to get boss.
Maybe we even say that they use their money get boss, and maybe we even say NFF they like say they buy the plane and all that. Okay, but when on our land, NFF provide police for now. We don't see videos when police.
Yeah, I see the police. Yeah.
Would they give now access to stadium?
But I also see pictures of them they sleep for ground though.
No, others one that when did they wait for the bus to come? Some of them decide to sit down for ground. How many minutes they stay there? The secondly, they give a chance to train, right? Now come the stadium, they carry una come stadium.
But you say that bus when it take them 3 hours to reach to you from where they for drop, and that is that the argument then now where NFF they say now then divert. Okay, more even say it take on 3 hours to reach there. We don't already hear say the place when divert Super Eagles plane go take them like 3 hours to 2.5 3 hours to reach here. Okay, fine. They can't lock them.
Now they don't do that one. Sebo will say even now even delay them for 5-6 hours. Fine, when they begin drive go, but to leave them for over 12 hours.
Almost.
Now you get how you go say you won't pay person back. You get when you go don't overdo them. That's why it's just like a father you want discipline picking. You get when you beat and reach police to arrest you. So no matter say that your picking say you want discipline discipline picking no mean say you come to give him wound injury, you won't kill him. You don't go to the extreme. To me I feel say Libya overdo them. If they say they won't punish our players, diverting the plane enough alone now keeping them for like 4-5 hours.
It's supposed to do.
Then go arrange your boss by yourself. They want to spare another 2 or 3 hours.
Don't
lock them there like say hold them hostage and all this kind of stuff. That one they don't cross the line.
So as a sport person, which I want really confirm now say, because there's a based on CAF rules and regulation, you know no matter the circumstances, you're not supposed to abandon your match.
But they abandon, not because they just abandon decide to come. Then tell CAF.
Say they
update CAF, say see what thing they happen, and the thank God for today. Now if now in those
days, what will happen now?
Wait, if now in those days, you know, say everybody go they do now your word against my word.
Everything the social media.
We delay now, no joke, but everything the social media. The time when they land, the hours, everything they there. All the fact that they don't see food, they lock them. All those altercations, they everywhere. And then NFL people, you know, say I'm a picnic now, and FIFA person, NFL CAF person too. they brief CAF say see wetin dey go on no, see wetin dey go on no. So by international standard, you can't force a team to honor a match when they don't the airport over 15 hours. They never train, they never eat.
Charles will suggest say the best thing when Super Eagles for do now to remain there till this very day of the match, which is today. Then when they come to the stadium, they can't touch it, they don't want to play. That means that they protest the match, not be to just abandon the match, because now as you abandon it now, you dey.
But abandon the match, not be say they abandon the match. You not give them access into your country. You don't understand? You lock them for your airport. You not give them access to food and water.
So what you suspect be the final matter when you happen?
It be like make somebody now run from Nigeria. Nigerian government they pursue him. He can't go UK or America. Say he can't reach airport. They can't say they seek asylum or wanting. Now the inside airport they look at like say an international. Everybody get freedom. They go live inside the airport. They feel not let your country carry you. They feel not let the new country take you until they resolve the paper issue. Whether they don't give you asylum or you go there inside. I don't want you moving like that. The man there for airport. How many years Julian Assange? How long did they for inside airport? That guy, CIA guy, when they say CIA, they find where whistleblower. They stay inside airport. He dey inside airport at one point. If I'm not mistaken.
Before they later pick him up.
So because inside the airport, now like international, you fit stay until they decide where you go left or right. This Super Eagles matter, they leave them inside airports. They don't get access to the country. They don't get access to even go the venues. And then so the only thing you can do is to go back. Now, if you dare somebody airport, they cannot tell you not to leave the country, but they can tell you not to enter their country. You understand the difference now? You can fly in. They say, okay, okay, go back, or will not let you enter. If somebody says, I'm not gonna let you enter my house, the only way to have to go back now. So nobody say they even give them option of say. So
but the way you suspect now go happen.
No, see to me.
Now we the top that group, right?
So
then they bottom.
So even if you know that they even they think for the matter.
Yeah.
Whether CAF don't really get ahead like that. So to me, I feel say the best way to show them say we pass them. And to say, you know what? When I take the 3 points, we go see qualify. You understand? When I want 3 points, we big pass now to the point where we say we they willing to forfeit 3 points and 3 goals to go see qualify. To let them know say.
So will that not be in detriment of the other countries when they do the group? Because now
I made those other countries to go complain to CAF now. You understand? No, the best one to show them say, okay, you know when you borrow somebody money, the best one they say, look, I pass you, leave the money. I know they follow you fight for small change.
You know guys that do the battle, they will ban us.
Ban us. If countries like Nigeria, Egypt, and big countries know they have
AFCON, yes.
How they AFCON go to the Swiss, ban us for waiting where everybody see the evidence. They will say, okay, now forfeit 3 points and 3 whatever. So even if you lose these 3 points, no matter, we go see qualify.
Okay.
But then no go qualify even with the 3 points.
Now what you they would try talk with that 3 points, they don't see qualify.
If we give them that 3 points, they will
maybe now why they treat to Nigeria. So they don't say they go to
the best. And the second best revenge, and they say. Take the 3 points, we pass you now. The best revenge supposed be enter field, flog them well for their backyard. You understand? But the condition that the players are at that point, mentally, physically, emotionally, they're not in the right frame of mind to play football. But even FIFA said no go allow the players who don't go through that kind of ordeal to come play football. If they go get injured, the clubs go complain too. Because the clubs they pay their salary. So at the end of the day, make CAF. I expect say CAF go find Libya. And then fix replay of this match on neutral ground.
Not before our country, not before their own country.
Not before their country. Carry and go
another African country.
Moreover, I don't know why they will say me they play match for Libya. Libya get 2 different governments. They get 2 people they fight different things for that country. So they can't be really not that stable like that. 100%. Because now their excuse what the one they give now and say now one of the other people from the other
I see the excuse I ain't do with
this one. So one government they control the original airport Benghazi, the other government they control the other another narrative over the year. Which one be the truth? The point is take it to a neutral country where everybody go come. Libya no get access to controlling who go enter the country or not. Nigeria no get access, so make the country welcome both of them neutral ground, who flog them.
Anyway, moving away from that right now, since we don't clear that one, you see the new update on top the new curriculum where like vocational skills go they introduce according to the federal government. They want to introduce plumbing, hairstyling and others into basic school curriculum.
Which of the schools? Secondary schools.
Secondary schools.
Plumbing,
hairstyling, any other vocational arrangement. Now the Federal Ministry of Education announced this new curriculum for basic education. Say go start by January 2025. And the Minister of Education, Professor Tahir Maman, I disclosed this one yesterday for Abuja. He come and say under this new curriculum, say students for schools go they required to acquire at least 2 skills. You pick one, either na plumbing or na weatherman, na hairstyling or na something when they say
in fashion designer.
He go there, yes.
If you ask me, this one where the one. Sorry, you won't continue?
No, continue.
Okay, so to me, this whole vocational something don't do there since home economics. It don't be part of the school curriculum all these years. For home economics, they go teach you how to prepare different kinds of dishes, how to decorate your house.
You don't say some of us don't old. You don't say do home economics. I want to ask. In home economics in those days, boys they do want to.
Some boys they do.
I don't remember doing home. Whether they allow us as boys do. They allow boys do that time.
They allow us. I think
so. What they teach now? They teach sewing and all this in home economics.
No, so
yes.
I think the one who do that.
What did they call that thing? Knitting.
No, the one I do not be knitting. No, middle and thread. Embroidery day
and
baking day, cooking day.
Those one not be vocational studies. Those one are waste of time. That time, no, how many of us can come up for that particular class? So this one are the one they intentional about.
So it will be full.
Yes. At least you will get to like what they talk about solar POP. PC, solar installation, floor work, like tie. No one of us that teach ties.
But I mean,
that one is under introtech code, introduction to
technology. Subjects in low first now. This one day more.
It makes sense. Just like me now, my daughter they learn sewing already from the mama. Because the mama they sew, mama fashion, whatever, and then so he gets
your own boss.
Mama get a workstation for house where knitting machine, sewing machine, everything there. You understand? So my daughter already 10 years, don't already they learn how to sew. Now me talk as every time when they do holiday, she go learn how to sew. When school resume, she face school work, but for holiday go learn how to sew. My son now, I don't talk to my mechanic. So my second son now, when do holiday, you go
they play good, yes, 1 or 2.
You go there learn. Make you just them basic skills. They learn about cars. What they do cars, how to change oil.
You say you go study engineering, you never put car engine one day.
Make you know some of those things where they make you just learn extra skill because at the end of the day, Nigeria where we do now be the country where you go send pikin go school. May you go get certificate, come back
at the end of the day, not go see work.
No job. No job.
If you look what they talk for you, he said the idea say by the time these children finish school, they go don't get at least 2 skills. Students go come finish school with a minimum of 2 skills so that they can have a very productive life. No, you know say most of us we finish school before starting to do hard work.
Exactly now.
Then they become apprentice. You don't make announcement for fashion. I don't say go fashion school. And I don't finish any.
And then you know that some of us find our line of work based on our interest and talent and gift. For instance, like right from small, I know say I like sports, I like football. So I'd always listen to radio, always listen to TV, follow sports, read magazines, read paper and everything. So even when I did school, I get involved in school, in sports, I play school team, I do all those things, I become sport director 2 times and all those stuff. So I'm not surprised say my first ever work for
reliable sports.
Now sports that come
already
because my interest and everything don't
already
playing and doing so. These children now, if they learn some of these things, by the time they went to university, if you look say, I don't like to fix things.
Maybe let me focus on that.
I don't like to do. Maybe I like to operate computer. So at the end of the day, they don't discover extra gift and talent to them again. Then they go to them, they go school, go study, waiting their talent and gift.
Now the curriculum went. I think most American schools they use with that now, and according to the way they will put themselves, you know, they are for optional. Both public private school is going to start from 2025 January. Now is a must at all. Most see whether this one will help us increase or reduce the unemployment rate. Because imagine say somebody who don't learn hairstyling from just one all the way to SF. You go put store that if you get the way the country.
Because there's a lot of us they go school to graduate so that we will work for Shell and Chevron. Shell and Chevron when they pack them up for Nigeria.
How many of us even work for them?
At the end of the day, when we finish, they will say only those who get first class first. Go apply, come right there.
There are people when their papa know somebody when know another person.
I only get one question to ask. And they bring these vocational skills. Sure, they go add money for school fees as well.
I hope not be theory. So when you want to sew cloth, they give them paper, you cut like this.
No.
I hope they go give them machine, sewing machine make them see.
Another area be that one.
Because you know say so many school they go say it's for apple, we never see the apple. Like why they draw for board we dey see.
But they teach me CPU, tire, CPU. I know you
say for banana, we don't see the banana. So not when they tell us say come and do vocational, come and do
baking. We don't see the banana, we know they see how
to say if you want to bake, you mix the powder and the yeast and the yeast.
We do practical.
You know better I draw CPU. I don't need CPU. After I finish school, when I call reach my bro, instead of CPU,
I want to plumbing, make them carry them go bathroom. This thing and this. Well, they know say they will draw for both. We don't want to do it.
But they will increase money for school fees.
I don't think so. They go take care of
that's everybody. Yes.
I believe so.
Who send government to bring her?
Okay.
2.7. Alright, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.